What's up, fellow geniuses? Another sick day to eat raw chicken. Obviously. Dummy, you think. You thought it wouldn't be a good day to eat raw chicken? How damn can you be? So I just made a video to my other channel where we don't eat raw chicken. Don't go to subscribe to there. We just talk about things. It's called base knowledge because it has some pretty base knowledge, but you can judge it yourself. There's no raw chicken eating. That's why we have base science. So I made a video about how it's pretty much everything going against you in this matrix system we all live in. Everything's going against for you being healthy, happy human being. And I know you could say, man, you eating raw chicken. What the hell do you know about being happy and healthy? But I was describing the groups of people inside of the system determined by their knowledge level of different things in this reality we all live in. The more knowledge you have about the reality of living inside here, wherever we are, maybe the more based your experience here will be. Good luck. But anyways, I was thinking, like, there is this great awakening, going on right now. Clearly, more and more people are waking up to this system we live in and how absolutely fucked up the system is. But the bad part about it is it's hard to know what's real, what road to take that leads you closer to the truth, and which roads lead to closer to the blindness when there is no clarity about things. These days, many people are starting to understand the thing about the corporations. The corporations are evil. Their practices destroy humanity. They do it all for money. Money, 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 shiny, shiny. Vanguard, BlackRock, all these banks. But if they can print the unlimited amount of money they want, why the fuck would they do this all for money? Then you also obviously think about the power, but they already have all the power. They created this system. To work for them. But anyway, many people kind of starting to get that into that level. Like the system, something ain't right here. And it always amazes me how these people that are pushed by the algorithms and the mainstream media that are kinda into this area I'm talking about, people like Jordan Peterson, Russell Brand, Elon Musk, Donald Trump. Like why these seemingly extremely smart people that know about this system, why they never talk about certain subjects when it comes to who's really or who created this system, who's really pulling the strings up top in the system. Because if you think these people are the ones pulling the strings, so it always leaves questions in my mind that what's the end goal of these people? Is it this for the masses, or is it actually this light? Are they playing this 5D chess where they can checkmate you, retard? Well, they try to keep their information, the real information, close to them. Or are they just another puppet, another actor of the system? Makes it kinda interesting to watch and ponder and eat raw chicken. That's that Matrix mindset. What do you think? Everything's gonna change when Trump wins the election. Maybe the election, I don't know which day this will come out and which day the election was. It's not happened yet, at least. But Trump wins, the whole world's gonna change. Am I right, guys? Finally, I'm gonna beat these evil satanic motherfuckers that try to do all this bad stuff for our children. Finally, the change is gonna happen. Thanks, Trump. Or is it another